So here I'm going to use the substitution method to show you how to get no solution or infinitely many solutions. You'll see that the first equation does not have a variable all by itself, but the second one does. Therefore, I'm going to start to write out the first equation, but where I see an x, I'm actually going to leave a space. So that's 4x plus 8y equals negative 8. Now, I left a space there because x is also equivalent to negative 2y plus 1. So because they are equivalent, I can substitute in negative 2y plus 1 for x, hence where the name substitution method came from. Now that I have that set, I'm going to distribute the 4 inside the parentheses and start to solve for y. 4 times negative 2y is negative 8y. 4 times positive 1 is a positive 4. And I'll rewrite the rest of the equation. Plus 8y equals negative 8. Now you'll notice on the left side, I have two terms that have the same variable y. This is a variable y. Didn't look like it because I'm sloppy, but that's all right. So because they both have a y in them, I can combine like terms. Negative 8y's plus 8y's are 0y's. So they cancel out. We are left with 4 is equal to negative 8, which is not true. Therefore, there is no solution. Usually when there's no solution graphically, that means that the lines are parallel. So that's what's happening here. These two lines are parallel. Going down to number 2, again, I have a variable by itself. This time, instead of the x, it's the y. So in my first equation, I will start to write 2x minus 3, but instead of a y, I'll leave a set of parentheses because I am going to replace that with an equivalent expression. Y is equal to 2 over 3x minus 2. And I got that from here. Now that I do that, I can start to solve for x. I'm going to use the distributive property. Okay, and I'm going to be distributing this negative 3 into the parentheses. When I do that, first I'm going to bring down this 2x, and this equals 6. So now when I do that, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, divided by 3 is 2, so negative 2. So we get a minus 2x. Okay. Then negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6, since negative times negative is positive. Okay. Now that I've distributed, I'm going to look for like terms. I see the 2 has an x and the negative 2 has an x. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So we have 0 x's. We're left with 6 is equivalent to 6, which is true. Therefore, we have infinitely many solutions. Thank you guys for watching.